So, how's the music going?
Good. Good.
Good. So you don't need any money.
Actually, I was wondering, is it sold?
Yeah, It's in escrow,
For what?
22.5. But why? It's not our house.
Not our house.
Yeah, it's Mom and Dad's house. It's for his upkeep.
Right.
We don't get any.
Yeah, well, what the fuck?
Llewyn,
What?
the language.
The language.
I'm not one of your Greenwich Village friends.
Okay, yeah.
Llewyn,
What?
if music's not,
What, working out? What do you want me to do, just quit? Just exist?
exist. Yeah, that's what the rest of us do outside of show business. It's not so bad existing.
Yeah, right.
Listen, I got you a minute.
No, look, I got rehearsals for the Sullivan show and I got champagne parties.
Don't go away. I cleaned it out, the house. Found some of your stuff, so I put your stuff in a box. What I thought you might like. This is when you recorded Ladies of Spain for Mom and Dad. You were what, like 8 years old here? So cute.
Yeah, Joy, well, listen, in the entertainment business, you're never supposed to put out your beginner shit. It ruins the mystique.
I don't know much about the entertainment business.
Yeah, well, don't be sorry. I gotta go.